Morning everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about some of the few things that I have learned since I started getting interested in YouTube videos. I hope that you can learn. If you are like me, just started in YouTube, getting interested, don't know where it's going to take you yet, but you start to feel like you have the motivation, you start to feel like you have the purpose, somehow you just feel very happy making videos and where to start, or you're starting or just learned how to start. I'd like to share my experience. I'm a mom, I'm a working mom, I'm a wife, and just recently I just cannot believe what I have learned, the skills that I have acquired in the last 2-3 weeks. I've learned so much, not only around the tools, the editing tools, things about the YouTube, but most importantly, I am feeling very motivated right now. I'm feeling very inspired, and my channel is all about inspiring and spreading joy and love. And I thought if I share this with you, whoever you are that's in the same journey as I'm, just dabbling into YouTube videos, I'm interested in what the people are doing in YouTube videos, but I feel like I have that inspiration, but I don't know where to start, or I don't know what I feel. I don't know what to do with this feeling. I hope this video helps. If you want to keep watching, just stay tuned. Click subscribe, like, and the notification bells. I want to start with inspiration. I want to talk about the inspiration, what I have learned so far. The way I started with the YouTube videos is some changes in my life. So one change is I had braces last year, and then we just had a dog early this year during the pandemic, when pandemic started really becoming very active. So what happened was, when I started my journey in braces, I started learning things, and I thought maybe I should document this, maybe I should make a video, maybe just upload it, and maybe it would help other people. So that was how I started feeling about it. And then with our dog, with our pet, when we acquired a pet, there were a lot of videos, of course, and pictures that I take of the pet, and I thought, oh my god, he's so cute. I felt like sharing videos and pictures of him. I started Instagram, and then later on I thought maybe I should also upload this in YouTube, because there are other pet lovers, dog pet lovers out there that might be interested in looking at my pet, and then maybe we can share some experiences around the pet. So those were the two big changes that happened in my life last year and this year that somehow made me think about making videos and then uploading videos into YouTube. The next one that I want to talk about is what triggered me in uploading more or becoming more active in YouTube. So I just started literally taking videos on my phone, and then without editing them, I just uploaded them in YouTube, and then I just put some titles and description. And I did that for my braces, and then for the puppy videos, or for my family videos, or for my cooking videos. And then one day I saw that there was a YouTube Studio app that's available, that was made available by Google. So I checked it out. And that's when I saw, oh my gosh, some people are actually watching my videos. And then that time frame during the vacation, like I took a long vacation, like 2 weeks during the Christmas holidays leading up to the New Year. And during that vacation, I was very active in Instagram. That's really my major platform that I use to just want to share with my family and friends and people that are probably just interested in my content. But it was during that time that I made videos of the braces and the puppy. And at that time, I just started getting into like, okay, I'm gonna buy a video editing tool on my phone. And then I started using it, getting really familiar with it, and I started editing some of my videos, and then and I thought maybe I'll try to follow the pattern of the other video makers. So I did that, and I was actively posting, and then suddenly I saw that my subscribers are now more than 50. I couldn't believe it. So my initial reaction was, All right, I was just following my passion. I was having fun doing it. I'm learning a lot about the technology, and people are actually watching it. And then I thought, if I can be consistent, if I can do better, I will be able to reach more people. I will be able to make a difference a bit more. I'll have a larger group that might get interested in my videos. So first, it just started with some ideas and passion, and the next, something triggered me to say, do more. And then the next sharing that I'm gonna say is, because of that, not only did I got inspired, I got motivated to take more videos, put a bit more thought on the videos that I'm making, and then learn about the tools so I can make the video better for whoever the people are watching my videos, and just give them a better experience, make it a bit more interesting. So guys, that's how I really started, and I don't know where this is gonna take me. I don't know what's gonna happen after this. All I know is it's fun to do. I feel very, very happy that there are a few people right now that are watching the videos, and I think making them interested. But the point is, I feel like there's a purpose in my life now. I'm a corporate worker, and therefore, you know, I try to do my best when I'm doing the job that pays the bills right now. But when I'm doing this work, when I'm doing videos, or like just taking pictures of the things that matter most to me during the day, and then I'm sharing it with people, and some people are looking at it, and then I feel that people continue to subscribe, I feel that there is somehow a meaning or purpose in my existence, and so it feels so good. So the inspiration, so it starts with the idea, and then it turned into an inspiration, and then the inspiration turned into motivation to do more, and then the motivation is pushing me to learn more. So for you out there who are just starting with YouTube, I think the main takeaway is just pursue it, do it, and see where it leads you. Milk the feeling when you see your subscribers or when people comment, and it makes you feel good, and that feeling good really extend throughout the day for me. That positivity just impacts me very, very well. It impacts me positively when I'm dealing with my family, when I'm doing my work, the corporate job. It just keeps me positive. It just keeps me inspired. And so it's just amazing that I spent a lot of time working, but after I started becoming active in uploading videos into YouTube, I started having more ideas on what to do, what to share with people. I started looking into the tools and the things that I want to learn so I could create better content. And I started spending my time a little bit differently. So I think I'm going to talk about that in in another video in itself, because I want to share with you how I'm taking the videos. So that's another idea. That's one idea. Another idea is I want to share with you all the things, all the applications that I started using, ever since I started becoming more active in creating content. And then I want to share with you the learnings that I have acquired with the gadgets that I'm using. So I haven't really spent a lot of money. I'm just using my phone, and then I'm using free apps right now. But I'm realizing, yep, it is really what you love. What you love just opens a ton of doors for you. That's what happens to me. If I pursue what I love, if I pursue what makes me happy, it just opens a ton of things. It opens ideas, it opens learning, it opens happiness, it just expands my happiness. And that's what I want to share. That's what I want to give to the world. inspire, spread love and joy. And I hope this video about what I've learned in YouTube and what I'm learning, I think I'm going to take you to my journey when in my YouTube growth, in my YouTube learning, because I really want to inspire you that this is just one channel to pursue happiness, to pursue joy, and I think it's really, really great. So guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna make more videos about my YouTube journey. So if you're one of me who just started learning, more power to you. Keep pursuing your dreams. I will follow my inspiration in my heart that whatever I'm learning right now, I'm gonna be sharing, and I'm gonna be making more videos. I'm probably gonna create channels because I learned so much. Applications, there are really good YouTubers out there that are sharing information, and the way they share information is straightforward, very sincere. You learn right away, and then you can apply it right away. There are applications out there, or apps that you can just use on your phone or in your PC. It's just so easy to use and so intuitive, and then it just keeps getting better and better and better. So guys, thank you for watching. I'm just so happy and excited that you're watching right now, and let's learn together. All right, meantime, stay safe and stay positive and happy. Peace out.